Jazz. We're here today at the Rustic Barn in Kendall with Leah, and Leah is the owner, and it's basically a gift store and bakery. Leah, how long have you been here in Kendall?
We've lived in the area my entire life.
Okay.
Grew up in Orono.
Okay.
We've been here at this location for almost 6 years now, and my store has been open since August.
Okay, wow, that's wonderful. This is an excellent location.
Thank you, we love it, So this is my home goods and kind of craft store. I have an online bakery that I use. A lot of people pre-order through the online website, and they'll pick up here in the shop.
Do you deliver to their house as well, or specifically?
I do provide delivery if it's within a certain amount. It generally has to be over $50 for me to provide free delivery within a certain kilometer radius.
Okay.
So the website is set up with PayPal, so you can prepay, and it's basically sitting here waiting for you, ready to pick up. So the shop itself is open every weekend on Saturdays and Sundays, and then I do pre-orders and pickups Wednesday to Sunday.
Okay, great.
As well, so they can just come down, and the shop's not necessarily open, but I will be here for them to pick up their order.
So for the gifts, do you bring these in locally? Do you make the gifts? Or?
Everything that's down here in the store, I make.
Oh,
everything
the signs and everything.
The signs, I offer workshops on my Facebook page. You'll see announcements on my Facebook page. So I encourage people to follow me on Facebook because there's always something new going on down here.
Right. So what about the animals? I notice you have animals in the barn.
And that they are my love. And I like to share that with everybody. In the spring and summertime, we'll have picnic tables set up outside for the parents to sit and enjoy coffee and a sweet treat while the kids run around and play with the animals. And with spring always comes babies.
Right.
So we'll have baby chicks here for the kids to come and see.
I just want to thank you, Leah, for having us out here today. And this is an absolutely incredible place, and I hope everybody can get a chance to come out and check them out online as well. And thank you very much for watching this version of Community Clips, and have a great day.